Ciao amici, and welcome to my kitchen. What is the first thing that you think of when somebody says, I like some Italian dessert? Well, first of all, you probably say, oh yes, I want that too. And then you probably think, tiramisu. Exactly. Tiramisu has been a staple of Italian dessert tradition for a very long time, and there's a reason for it, because it's just amazing. And I'm probably sure that you've had it before and you liked it, and you want to make yourself one at home. But also you've probably been thinking, oh, I don't know, that's very hard to make. But I'm here to tell you it's not. Look at this, you can do it in your own kitchen. You don't need a professional kitchen, you don't need a bakery, you don't need to be a chef. You can do it at home with no problem. And if you watch this video course, I'm going to teach you how to do it. It's very simple, trust me. Now here's the list of ingredients that you're going to need to make the tiramisu. And this is just a sample of the result. And trust me, unfortunately the video cannot prove to you how good this is. So you're going to have to try it for yourself. The ingredients are simple. You're going to need eggs, sugar, mascarpone cheese or regular cream cheese, and then cookies. Savoiardi cookies are the best. They're specifically made for tiramisu. This is what a savoiardo looks like. However, if you live outside Italy, those are pretty hard to find. This, a little bit easier to find. This works as well. And then you're just going to need a little bit of coffee and some cocoa powder. Once you have that, come back to this and start watching the other videos, and I'm going to teach you exactly what you need to do to make the delicious Italian dessert called tiramisu. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on the other videos where we're going to be starting cooking and making things amazing. Ciao!